0.125 as a percent. So you can rewrite this decimal number 0.125 times 1. The value of this and this is similar. Look, instead of 1, what you can write? You can write 100 over 100 means 1. Now you can rewrite this 1 to 5. You can rewrite 100 times 1 over 100. Percent means out of 100, that is 1 over 100. So 10. Now 1 over, instead of 1 over 100, you can place this sign. Now multiply this decimal number by 100. Look here, 10 to the power 1 means 10, 10 to the power 2 means 100. So 10, 100, these are called power of 10. To multiply a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from left to right equal to that number of zeros, 2 zeros. So decimal point will move 2 places, 1 plus 2 plus. So we are getting 12.5%. This is the answer.